Hello students, once again welcome all of you in Maths Online class. Students, this is our the sixth video of the chapter 2, that is exponent. In my previous video, means 5a 5b, I have explained you laws of exponent. So in this video we will solve the exercise 2b. So student, I hope you all are seriously doing your homeworks and you have to write everything in fair copy. So let's start now today's questions. And first question is expressed as a rational number. You have done such questions before. In which exercise? Yeah, good. Exercise 2a. First 4 and what is the power? Minus 3. You know, and you know rule of exponent. First is a 0, second negative, third multiplying power with the same base, fourth power of power, fifth dividing power, and last is expanded exponent. 4 raised to the power minus 3. So look here, what is given here? Here is given raised to the power minus 3. In which form given the power? Power in given negative form. So you know which rule we can apply here? We can apply the negative exponent rule. So how we can find the negative exponent rule? So we can find negative exponent like as, look here, first question is 4 upon minus 3. So we can write the 1 upon 4 raised to the power 3. Because we can here apply the, what is the x power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x power n. Now 1 upon 4 raised to power 3 means 4 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. So you can multiply 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. The answer is a 1 upon 64. 1 upon 64. Now second is a 8 raised to the power 2. We know how we can solve. 8 multiplied by how many times? 2 times. This is a 64. And the question is saying write in express in a rational number. So you know how, what is the rational number? Rational numbers, which number we can write in form of p upon q, means p upon q, whereas the q is not equals to 0. So we can write like as 4 upon 64 upon 1. This is the answer. First, this is answer the second question. Now third is a minus 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 2. This number is given in a rational number form and power given negative form. You know, very easy, we can solve easily. So minus 4 upon 5 we can write like as 1 upon minus 4 upon 5 raised to the power, what is that? Minus 2. Then minus 2 convert in a 2, because this is the rule. And then minus 4 upon 5 raised to power 2 means minus 4 upon 5 raised to multiply by how many times? 2 times. Or we can write like as 1 5 upon 4 raised to the power 2. 5 upon 4 raised to the power 2. And then answer will be 5 5 ja 25, 4 4 ja 16. 25 upon 16. 25 upon 16. Now fourth is a minus x raised to power minus 1. Same as minus x raised to power minus 1. So we can write like as 1 upon minus x. Then answer will be 1 upon minus x, or you can say minus 1 upon x. Now second question is a simplify and express with the positive exponent. So here how many questions? 4 questions. So these questions are based on the rule of exponent. We solve by the rule of exponent, and you know how many rule of exponent there are? 6 types. First 0, if any rational number is power 0, then negative power, then multiplying power with the same base. So we can add the power. Then power of power means multiply the power. Then dividing the power means subtract the power with the same base. And then last is a expand the exponent. Now first question in this question, so 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3 raised to the power 11 multiplied by 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 10. So look here, what is happening in this question? In this question it happen what? 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Mean base are equal here. And 1 time multiply by, then 2 times, then third time. How many times multiply here the 2 upon 3? 3 times. Means multiplying the one base again and again, means base are here same. So we can apply the first rule. And what is the first rule? First rule is a multiplying power with the same base, then we can add the power. So then we can write like as 2 upon 3, power keep the same, means power we write the same, like as say write as the same, then 2 upon 3 write as the same, then base write as same, sorry, base we are write as the same, then minus 3 plus 11, then plus minus 10. So minus 3 plus 11 plus minus 10 write in a bracket. So 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3 plus minus minus, then plus 8 plus minus 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 10, then 2 upon 3 minus 2. 2 upon 3 again, look here in this question, last in step, what is here? Power is a negative. So we can solve like as a negative exponent. We can write this number 3 upon 2 raised to power 2. The answer will be 9 upon 4. Why 9 upon 4? 3 upon 2 raised to power 2 means 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2 times. 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Then 3 3 is 9 and 2 2 is 4. Then 9 upon 4. The answer will be 9 upon 4. Now second is here. Minus 1 upon 5 raised to power minus 6 divided by minus 1 upon 5 raised to power minus 2. Look in this question. These are the same. But what is here? Here's the division. Means we can apply the dividing power. And in this rule, we can subtract the power. We can subtract the power, but base will be same. Base will be same. So what is the base here? Minus 1 upon 5. So base write as the same, minus 1 upon 5. Then subtract the power. So minus 6, subtract the power. What is the first power? Minus 6 raised to and minus 2. The minus 6 minus minus 2 write in a bracket, because you know that we cannot write any number or any two sign together. Minus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 raised to the power minus 6 minus minus plus 2, then minus 1 upon 5 raised to the power minus 4. Minus 4 how? Minus 6 plus 2. Both are different sign, and you know different sign means good. Subtraction. Subtract this number. Find the difference of the 6 and 2. Then we get what? 4. And always we use the greater number sign. And which one is greater? Here is a 6. So we can, and 6 with the minus sign. So we can use the minus sign here is a, and then 1 upon 5 raised to power minus 4. Again, keep in mind, if any answer you find the in power negative form, so we can write in power positive form. So how we can write the in power positive form? We can write like as 5 upon 1 raised to the power 4. This is the answer. Minus 5 upon 1 raised to power 4 means minus 5 1 raised to the power 4 minus 5 multiplied by how many times? 4 times. And listen student, keep in mind, if you find the a numbers power even, then answer always, and if the number is a negative form, then base are negative form, then answer always we will be in a positive form. So what is here? Minus 5 and to the power 4. 4 is the even number, and then we means minus 4 5 multiplied by how many times? 4 times. Then we get what? 625, or you can say the plus 625. Here the you can write the both answer, this one or this one. Now next is 9 upon 11 bracket minus 3, 9 upon 11 bracket raised to power minus 7, and whole bracket divided by 9 upon 11 minus 3. Look in this bracket. Here is the multiplication with the same base, and you know when the powers multiply with the same base, then we can add the power. Now 9 upon 11, 9 upon 11 raised to the power minus 3 plus 7, sorry, plus minus 7, then bracket, divide by 9 upon 11 raised to the power minus 3. And then 9 upon 11, solve this one, minus 3 plus minus, plus minus, minus minus 10. Minus 10 because minus 3 plus minus 7, open the bracket, minus 3 plus minus 7, both are same sign means adding the number, both we can add the number 7, 3, 10, then we use the same sign and then minus 10, and then divide by 9 upon 11 power minus 3, both same, base are same here. Again we can, which rule apply, we can apply the, which rule, we can apply the dividing rule. So 9 upon 11, this rule we can subtract the power, 9 upon 11 minus 10 minus 3. 9 upon 11, then minus plus, and the answer will be 9 upon 11 minus 7. And you can say, you can write this question like as 11 upon 9 power 7, because this is a minus 7 negative form. So answer will be 11 upon 9 power 7. Understood? Now next is a minus 4. Question number 4. 2 upon 3 minus 3 raised to power minus 4 raised to power minus 2. Here is the power of power, means we can multiply the power. So 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by raised to power minus 4 multiplied by raised to power minus 4. Which rule? X power n is equal to x m power multiplied by n. Then 2 upon 3, 3 4 are 12, 12 2 are 24, minus 24. You can write the 3 upon 2 raised to power 24. Why? Because this is a minus. So we can write like as, then answer will be 3 upon 2 raised to power 24. So students, this was all for today. And today's your homework is a, do the exercise 2B, question number 1 and 2, all the remaining question. So your homeworks I have attached in description of this video. Thank you and take care.